Hello CNC router users. Today we are going to discuss about profitability in using CNC router machine. So how CAD/CAM software is helping CNC router users to improve the profitability of CNC router machine. So the CAD/CAM software significantly improves the profitability of a CNC router machine by optimizing various aspects of designs and manufacturing process. It reduces the cost, increases the output efficiency, and minimize the errors and maximizes the material usage. Here is how it's contribute to higher profitability. If you are using a CAD/CAM software, it reduces the production time. How it is done? Faster design to product. CAD/CAM software automates many steps of the design and manufacturing process, shortening the time it takes to go from concept to finished product. The faster production cycle allows companies to take on more projects and increase out. Other one is automated toolpath generation. We can, we can do manual programming also using the CAD/CAM software. That is, we can create the NC code manually. We can write or you can create using a CAD/CAM software. So CAM software creates optimized toolpaths, reducing the time spent on manually programming and ensuring that the CNC router operates at maximum efficiency. This results quicker job completions and faster delivery times, which can increase customer satisfaction and lead to more repeated business. The other point is that minimized errors and waste. Error reduction. CAD/CAM software reduces the human error by automating the complex calculations and translating the design directly into machine readable code, that is G code. Fewer error in design and lesser rework, saving both time and material. That way we can improve the profitability. The other one is simulation. Before machining, we can do the simulation. In CAM software allows user to simulate the machining process before production begins, identifying the potential issues like that tool collision or material wastage. This pre-production validation minimizes the costly mistakes on the CNC router. The other point is that optimized material usage. We have nesting algorithms. CAD/CAM software often includes the powerful nesting features that arrange parts on a material sheet in the most efficient way possible. By minimizing the waste, companies can reduce material cost and improve profit margin, especially in industries where material is expensive, example metalworking and all. Precise material management. If you have CAD/CAM software, it ensures that material usage is planned and controlled, preventing unnecessary waste. This is especially useful for custom or small batch production, where reducing waste is critical to profitability. Other area by which we can improve the profitability using CAD/CAM software is that improved throughput and scalability. High productivity. By automating the design and the manufacturing process, companies can handle more job in less time. The ability to produce consistently high quality products at a scale improves throughput, allowing the business to meet growing demand without needing additional machines or labor. Batch processing. CAD/CAM software makes it easy to repeat the same design across multiple runs, meaning that once a job is set up, it can produce a high volume with minimum additional effort, maximizing the machine utilization and profitability. The other area is labor cost. It lower the labor, reduced manual labor. With CAD/CAM software, fewer skilled operators are needed to program and run CNC routers. The automation reduces manual intervention and operators can manage multiple machines simultaneously, lowering labor cost. The other point is that less specialized knowledge required. If you have CAD/CAM software, since CAD/CAM software simplifies the programming, even less experienced operators can work with CNC machines, reducing the need to write the manual programming for which can be done generally by highly specialized people and often more expensive people and labor. So that way it can reduce the labor cost and increase the profitability. The other point is the shortened setup and downtime. Quicker setup. CAD/CAM software simplifies and automates the setup process for CNC machines. Once a design is finalized, the software generates all necessary instructions, reduce setup time and allowing quicker transitions between jobs. Also, it reduces the downtime. The software ability to simulate operations and detect errors beforehand helps to reduce machine downtime caused by unexpected issues. The more efficiently machines run, the higher the productivity, and downtime directly cuts into productivity. So that way it can increase the profitability. Then customization and flexibility flexibility in production. On-demand manufacturing. If your CAD/CAM software system enables the quicker transitions between different jobs, allowing for flexibility in producing customized or small batches items. This flexibility open up new revenue streams by catering to the market where custom product can command premium price and high margin custom work. Custom jobs can be completed efficiently with CAD/CAM, making it profitable to a smaller, higher margin work that might not have been feasible with manual or traditional method. Generally, what happens is the manual or traditional method we cannot able to do direct manufacturing. For that, what we have to sometimes we have to invest in tool. So that tool cost will be very high. And if you have that number of pieces, then only that tool will be economical. So in traditional method, it becomes more costly. So, and also it reduces the cycle time also. So that way it can increase the profitability and improve product quality. Definitely consistent accuracy. CAD/CAM softwares ensure a high level of precision and consistency, even in complex designs. Higher quality products with fewer defects lead to higher customer satisfaction, reducing the risk of returns, rework, or warranty claims, all of which can negatively impact the profitability. Enhance the surface finish. By optimizing cutting speed, feed rates, and toolpaths, CAM softwares produce superior surface finishes and higher tolerance, increasing the perceived value of the product and justifying the higher price. So the other point will be the outcome of all this, that is increased market competition, quicker time to market. CAD/CAM software accelerates the entire design to production process, allowing companies to bring products to market faster than competitors. This agility can lead to gaining the market share, particularly in industries where speed is critical. Also, you can give broader range of services. The ability to handle complex and custom designs open up opportunities in each market, providing a competitive advantage by offering more specialized services or unique products. Companies can differentiate themselves and command higher price. And other plus point is that lower maintenance cost, because prolonged tool life you will get by optimizing tool paths and cutting conditions. CAM software minimizes the wear on the cutting tools and extending their lifespan and reducing fewer tool replacements and lower operational expense, leading to increased profit. Then machine efficiency, better control over machine, leading to less wear and tear on the CNC router, reducing the need to costly repairs and downtime associated with the machine maintenance. It can also help better job tracking and report, data-driven decision making. Many CAD/CAM systems come with built-in reporting features that allows businesses to track job performance, material usage, and machine efficiency. This data helps in optimizing production process and price strategies and resource allocation, leading to better cost. So we can do improved job costing, accurate job cost estimations based on detailed CAD/CAM data. Example, time, material, and tool wear, and all lead to a more precise price. Companies can avoid underquoting or overestimating costs, which protect profit margin. And in some CAD/CAM software, there is which work in the cloud-based softwares, remote and collaborative workflows are allowed. So remote access and collaboration. Cloud-based CAD/CAM platforms allow multiple teams to collaborate on designs remotely. This reduces bottlenecks, speed up project timelines, and improve overall efficiency, leading to better profitability by reducing the delays and miscommunication. So once you do the design, you can show to the customer or the people in the field and can take the feedback from them, and you can easily implement so many things. Also in manufacturing side, if they have any bottleneck, they can immediately communicate it to the concerned people and come with a solution. So this way, better communication happen across the different teams, so that it make it capable to that reducing the time automatically improve the profitability, increasing the profitability. So in summary, CAD/CAM software enhances the profitability of CNC router operations by reducing production times, minimizing the waste, lowering the labor cost, improving the product quality. The software optimizes material usage, reduces increase output efficiency, and enable businesses to scale operations while maintaining a high level of customization. This combination of factors leads to lower operational costs, higher margin, greater market competitiveness, ultimately boosting the profitability. So now you know how it is how essential that CAD/CAM software that we use with the CAD/CAM with the CNC router. Hope that these points have given you some idea how important is a CAD/CAM software, how it helps work using CNC router machine to bring more profitability in your business. So thank you for watching. Come back again. I will come with more videos regarding the CNC router machine. So thank you very much for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like. Bye bye. Good day to you.